Welcome back to eBrewTube. Today we're making a robust porter using the Brewer's Best kit. We need to steep our grains and malt, so here what we're going to do is cut these open, put them into a little bit of a sack. Tie it off towards the top here with a little nut. There we go, all ready for the steep. And we can make our wort with that. Now, let's see here. What we got going on is this. Right over here, we got our water coming up to about 150, 160. Almost dropped the lid there. Over here, we got some water that was boiling, and we've put in our malt extract cans to warm it up so it's a little softer, much easier to pour. So the heat is off, and then we're just letting that sort of loosen up. Now, what we're ready to do is put this sack over there for a minute and test temperature. So we have digital temperature thermometer. First time I'm using this one. I don't know. Still a little way to go. I'm getting there pretty quick, looks like. So we up to about 150. We're going to drop our sack of malt in there and let it steep up for about 20 minutes. And then we'll see what we can do about adding in some other ingredients. So yeah, we're just getting to about 150. Come on. This digital thermometer is not as good as I thought it was going to be. Just thought it was going to be a quick read. Things like counting up. Stuck at 147. Come on. Let's go a little bit further. Okay, well. Just put the lid back on. Alright, well, we're just about at 150, so I think it's safe to say time to add the malt. Here we go. We can put it in there, let it sort of soak in. And I want it to be kind of loose so the malt has more exposure to the water. You get more flavor or sugar or whatever else, whatever's coming out of this malt stuff, I'm not sure, but you get more of it. So there it is. Oh yeah, we're going to kill the heat too. I'm just going to let it cook for another minute before we do that. Starting to look soupy already. Well, I think we're going to kill the heat and come back in about 20 minutes, and then we'll add our liquid malt extract and maybe start to bring it back up to a boil and get ready for the hops. Alright, see you all in a little bit.